Hi guys, welcome back to Love Cooking with Toffa. Today we're making French toast pizza. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, share my video and do all of the right things. Very simple French toast. So you'll just add in a pinch of salt, danya powder and paprika. And what you'll do is you can take a fork and blend it all together. You can even use a hand mixer. I'm doing it the old school way. Once you've beaten all the ingredients together, you can add in milk. And now we'll get to frying the French toast. And I'll be right back when we get to that step. Hi guys, I'm back. I've relocated the camera. I have some normal cooking oil that I'm going to pour into the pan. Guys, you can use any bread of your choice. I'm using blue ribbon bread. And you can always just test if the pan is hot, like that. You'll take your bread, dip it into the egg mixture and put it into the pan. And when you've reached your desired crisp, you can turn your bread around. Like that. And you can add in some oil for the other side. The smell of this French toast is so delicious. I can't wait to eat, but I know it's going to be worth the wait when I show you the next step. So I'm going to fry some more French toast and I'll be right back when we get to our next step of making the pizza. That is the French toast. So guys, this is where the fun part begins. You will layer your French toast in a baking tray on some baking paper. Guys, the French toast smells so nice. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to find a way to describe it, and the best that I can think of is dulces. Tomato sauce. I'm just going to put this on there. I think I need to use a spoon. It will work out better for me. And I'll just put it on the bread, but very thin, because you don't want the bread to be soggy. Go, and then I'll be right back once I have the tomato sauce on all of the bread. Just to add, I have my oven heating on 150 degrees. And now I'm going to add onions. The reason why I'm adding the vegetables first is because I don't want the cheese to melt into the bread, but rather into the vegetables. And then I'll be right back once I have all the onion on the bread. And now it's time for the tomato. Guys, if you want to put more tomato on your bread, that is entirely up to you. And then I have some yellow bell pepper. I've also got some mushrooms. You can add on as much as you want, or you don't have to add it on at all. And I'll be right back once I put mushrooms on the rest of the bread. Some cheese. Guys, you can have more or less of whatever it is you want to put on your bread. Like I said, it is entirely up to how you like how you like your stuff to taste. And then I'm going to pop this into the oven after I season it. Salt, little bit of salt, not too much salt, just for seasoning. Cracks of pepper. You can just go crazy however you want to. And then some mixed herbs. Over there, and I'm going to pop it into the oven and I will be back to show you what it looks like.